In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a GIF image in Outlook and Gmail. GIFs are a fun and engaging way to communicate in your emails, adding a little extra spark to your messages. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to make your emails more vibrant, incorporating a GIF is a fantastic way to do that. So, let's dive right in and explore how to make it happen in just a few simple steps. First things first, you need to find the GIF you want to use. You can look online on websites that host GIFs or use one you've already saved on your computer. There are plenty of resources out there. Websites like Giphy or Tenor offer a plethora of options to suit any occasion. Once you've found the perfect GIF, the next step is to save it to your computer. This is key because having the GIF file accessible on your computer makes it much easier to insert into your email later on. Now that you have your GIF saved, let's move on to Gmail to see how you can insert it into an email. Open Gmail and start by clicking on the Compose button to create a new email. Once your email draft is open, take a closer look at the email toolbar. You'll find a small picture icon, which is the Insert Photo option. Click on this icon to proceed. A pop-up window will appear with several options available to you. Here, you'll want to click on the Upload tab. By selecting this tab, you'll be able to choose files directly from your computer. The uploader will typically prompt you to drag and drop your file, but you can also click to select your desired GIF file from the file picker window that appears. Once you've chosen your GIF from your computer, the magic happens. The image will start uploading and almost instantly appear within your email draft. At this point, you can adjust the placement of the GIF within your email by simply clicking and dragging it to your preferred location, and there you have it. Your GIF is now part of your email, ready to be sent to your recipient. Before you hit send, just double check that everything looks perfect and fits well within the context of your message. Adding a GIF to your emails is really that simple, yet this simple touch can convey a deeper sense of emotion and personality. Using GIFs effectively in your communication can make your emails stand out, lending a fun and engaging element. Experiment with different GIFs to find which ones resonate the most with your audience. Thanks for watching this quick and easy tutorial on incorporating GIFs into your Gmail emails. I hope you found it helpful and be sure to try it out the next time you craft an email. Until next time, happy emailing.